ಏನ್ ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್ ದಾ?
ಕಾಕ್ ಫೈಟ್, ಕೋಳಿ ಅಂಕ.
ಓ,
ಕೋಳಿ ಅಂಕಕ್ಕೆ ರೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ನೀವು ಕೋಳಿ ಸೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ?
There are 2 FIRs, my lord. One is
ನೀವ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಪಾಲಿಟಿಷಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಕೋಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
to prevent it. So
ಪ್ರಿವೆಂಟ್ ಕೋಳಿ ಜಗಳ.
ಕೋಳಿ ಜಗಳನ ಕೋಳಿ ಅಂಕ ನಿಲ್ಸಕ್ ಹೋದ್ರು ಪೊಲೀಸ್.
ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act.
ಹಂಗೆ ಜಲ್ಲಿಕಟ್ಟುನು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಂಬಾಳ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಏನ್ ನೀವು ಇದು ಕೋಳಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್?
My lord, the police wanted to stop it. At that juncture, my lord, in the first petition, serial number 7
Why are
and
you
my lord,
using
70,
this?
the MLA, sitting MLA and who is belonging to Congress party, they went and my lord, stopped the police activities, my lord. They wanted to prevent it. So
ಪ್ರಿವೆಂಟ್ ಕೋಳಿ ಜಗಳ.
ಕೋಳಿ ಜಗಳನ ಕೋಳಿ ಅಂಕ ನಿಲ್ಸಕ್ ಹೋದ್ರು ಪೊಲೀಸ್.
ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ at the instance of MLA and Congress party workers, my lord, they went and my lord, they asked the police to go back. Then my lord, next day again my lord, police went to the spot. 2 days program it was. Then my lord,
ಏನು
BJP
ಕೋಳಿ 2 days program?
ex-MLA my lord, who belongs to BJP and my lord, their party workers went to and my lord, they also said the police to go back. This is why my lord, the
SPP
case has been
ಅವರ?
registered.
ಈ ಕೋಳಿಲಿ ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ?
Earlier MLA and this the present MLA.
It's also
Both are different.
Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act.
ಹಂಗೆ ಜಲ್ಲಿಕಟ್ಟುನು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಂಬಾಳ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ.
But 221 my lord, there is no my lord.
ಅಲ್ಲ,
But complaint should have been
ಉಮೇಶ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ
filed.
ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬೋಣ. ವೆದರ್ ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ರುಯಲ್ಟಿ ಆರ್ ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ. ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ ನೋಡಿ? ಇಲ್ಲ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್
Fairly
7.
covered my lord. Last week also my lord,
SPP ಅವ್ರು
was
ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು.
amended and my lordship indicated that the 70 and 71 both will be disposed of next week.
ಏನ್ ನೀವು ಇದು ಕೋಳಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಉಮೇಶ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ squarely covered.
We'll check.
ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Squarely covered my lord.
ಬ್ಯಾನರ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ my lord suddenly raided and said
ಇಲ್ಲ ಪೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರ? ಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್. ಎಸ್ SPP ಅವರೇ,
Yes, ma'am.
ಕೋಳಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್?
ಎರಡು problem.
ಎರಡು.
obstructed the police from the discharging their duties, the allegation, some and substance.
The 221 may go because of the other.
ಅದೇ 221 ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ
That
ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್
cannot be
ಅವೇ.
separated. Predominantly the offense is
ಅದೇ
221. That is
ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ.
that is why Rajshekharananda
Lordship give us
Swami.
liberty. We'll file a complaint. Lordship can quash it and give us
ಈ
liberty.
ಕೋಳಿನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ?
If the state wants to do it, they can.
ಉಮೇಶ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಲಿಬರ್ಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ.
ರಾಜಶೇಖರನ್ ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇಟ್ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಸಪರೇಟೆಡ್ ವೆನ್ ದಿ
cannot
predominant.
be separated that way.
The law at the time of Umesh Shetty and today are different. At the time of Umesh Shetty, my lord, that the officer promulgated or the superior officer. Now, even delegation can be given. We'll take a delegation and file a complaint. There's a change in the BNS.
Is a suo motu complaint registered by police. It is not that the case where
ಮುಂದಿನ 7ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಮಾಡುವ.
See how the
ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್
petition is
ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸುಮ್ನೆ
conducted.
ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
those
ಏನ್
are all
ಏಕರ್ಸ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್
all
ಸೋಲ್ಡ್ ಟು
my lord
ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹೂ ಆರ್
appealable
ನಾಟ್ ಇವನ್ ಎಲಿಜಿಬಲ್?
among the
ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್
members.
ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್, ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ.
the
ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಡೊಮೈನ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ವೇ ಅಂದ್ರೆ?
my lord, the live streaming is there, my lord. That is why it will go viral.
ಓ, ಆತರ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡ ಬಿಡಿ. ಓ, ಬೇಲ್
Regular bail petition, my
yes,
lord.
sir.
He is in custody more than my lord 40.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಎಸ್,
Not
ಬಗೈರ್ ಹುಕುಂ.
now, my lord, everything is my lord is in the hands of the police and the government. Nothing to be recovered and no more custody is required.
ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ರಾ?
Allah,
Yes,
they have not
SPP
sought for custody. They have my lord remanded to judicial custody. 69 years old. My lord,
73 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್.
ಇಲ್ಲ, 69. ಅದು ಅವರ ಬ್ರದರ್ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. He is a my lord cancer patient at 4th family is taking care, my lord.
ಓ, ಯು ನೋಬಡಿ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬ್ರದರ್.
Brother is in the 4th stage, my lord. We have
ಅದು
produced.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಬ್ರದರ್ ಏನ್ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
My lord, now the your lordships have dismissed the 482 petition, my lord. A message has been sent, my lord. Thereafter, he has been arrested. He is detained in custody, my lord.
ಫರ್ದರ್ ಮೆಸೇಜಸ್
Further message has been sent. Now, my lord, he has in the custody for more than 45 days, my lord.
ಈಗ ಬೇಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ.
That cannot be, my lord, because in this case, my lord, the offences alleged are all, my lord, below 7 years, triable by magistrate. My lord, only one offense, my lord, that can be extended up to 10 years, my lord, is my respectful submission. So since, my lord, they have not sought for police custody, my lord, even assuming, my lord, that there is a grave charge or allegation, as your lordships observed while dismissing, But at this stage, my lord, detaining him in custody will not, my lord, serve any purpose.
Filing the statement of objection.
Everything is, my lord,
Yes,
ಕಾಪಿ ಈಗ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ, ಈಗ ಕೊಟ್ರ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ?
yes.
ಹೌದು.
everything is, my lord, my lord, pertaining to documentary evidence.
ಈಗ CID ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ?
CID is investigating.
TID arrested, my lord, after lapse of, my lord, 2 years, your lordship's dismissal, my lord, of that petition. But they-
ಅಲ್ಲ, why now you have arrested? ಬೇಕಾ?
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಕಸ್ಟಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂರಿಸಿ ಬರೇ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದು, ಇದು ಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಇದ್ರೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನೋ ರಿಕವರಿ, ನಥಿಂಗ್.
No, there are many things, many recovered, many things have been.
No, nothing has been recorded from him. They have recoveries maybe. They have seized documents from the government. But nothing from his, you know, the person or any.
ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ,
But,
ನೋಡ್ seventh will
some
finish
urgency
this
is
also.
there, my lord.
ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್
Some urgency is there, my lord. That is the reason why, my lord, he is in
ಆಯ್ತು,
custody.
ಮಂಡೇ ಆರ್ ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ
Old man, my lord, ex-MLA is in custody, my lord.
ಸರ್ ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
No, in fact, my
It's
lord,
only allegation, my lord.
ಇಲ್ಲ,
It's not that, my lord. he has-
ಏನ್ allegation?
No,
ನಾನೇ
my lord,
ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Not so, my lord. I am only,
In fact,
my lord,
I can
at
show
the
your
best, my
lordship.
lord.
ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಹೇಳಿ?
no, in fact,
My lord, they have arrested after lapse of 2.5 years.
As
Not that, my lord,
as you sow-
immediately a fresh crime
as
has
you
been
sow,
registered,
so you reap,
something
sir.
has been recovered, nothing has happened in this case.
as you sow, so you reap.
no, in fact, for just one document, two documents, my lord, your lordship, you see how the
ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್
petition is
ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸುಮ್ನೆ
conducted.
ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Those
ಏನ್
are all-
acres together
those are all,
sold
my
to
lord,
people who are
appealable.
not even eligible?
Even assistant commissioner could challenge that and file appeal, my lord. Not that, my lord,
ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವ್ರ
not that, my lord, they can
Guilt,
challenge
eh?
it, my lord. They have not challenged it. My lord,
I
even
have
the
written that,
Tashildar-
I have written that 482, sir. I know what has happened in that. I have gone through the entire file in that. ಯಾರು? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಬಗೈರ್ ಹುಕುಂ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸೋಲ್ಡ್ ಬಗೈರ್ ಕಾನೂನ್ ಅಂತ.
My lord, nothing is, my lord, recovered or no allegation of that corruption or anything. He has only, there is no allegation of taking some favoritism or any, my lord, money has been
You
seized. or-
bartered away government land.
No, that, my lord.
That's not allegation of
exercising
corruption.
Discretion, my lord, given to a
Discretion
committee. Yes,
of
my lord.
bartering away
If it
government
is
land.
wrong, there is appeal mechanism also. Lord, now it is matter for investigation or at the best trial if they file charge
ಏನು
sheet.
ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಕೊಡಿ.
Some, wherever is convenient, lordship, you see, wherever is convenient, the flag ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
AC has sent, my lord, report long back. No action has been taken by the state. Now only.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮೊಬ್ಬರನ್ನೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ
ಎರಡು
we
ವರ್ಷ
have
ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ
hauled
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
everybody. I have not singled out anybody and said you go against him.
Everybody got anticipatory bail, my lord. Only
No, no,
this
not
petitioner
everybody. There
and
are other
subsequently
Tashildars
few are arrested.
In fact, today only the two more petitions are there, my lord, where they're in custody. 3 kilometers within the range of 3 kilometers. It's not that he do not know, he knows, he rejects it.
He
for
is
some-
from that place only.
He rejects it. No, the question is whether I can grant a land up to 3 kilometers. For some, he rejects it, saying that within the 3 kilometers, therefore you are not eligible. For some, he
Grants it.
grants it.
He is the chairman of the committee.
Forest land, revenue
Don't
land.
have any extra
Sir.
power, my lord.
Extra power.
My lord, he is one among the members.
Land, government land ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
My lord, whatever, my lord.
Whatever, that's
No,
what
not
is
like
there.
that, my lord. The revenue inspector, they
No, ನಾನು ಇದು
village
ಹೇಳ್ತಾ
accountant,
ನಾನು
they
ಇದು
will
ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
place a report. before the
ಯಾಕೆ
Tashildar.
ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ
Tashildar
ಅಂದ್ರೆ
once recommends, my lord,
No,
then
no,
only he can grant.
ಅರುಣ್ ಶ್ಯಾಮ್ ಸರ್,
Yes.
ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನ, ನೀವು ಜೈಲಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ that has to be proved, my lord, after filing of the charge sheet and
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
trial.
ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
I am only accused, my lord. It is not.
Correct, I am not saying you are convicted.
Yes, that's what, my
Yes.
lord. It amounts to conviction otherwise.
What amounts to conviction?
He is at the
Investigation ಮಾಡೋದು is conviction ನಾ?
best, under trial prisoner, my lord, at the best, my lord, he can.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಈಗ ಅದು ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬಗರ್ ಹುಕುಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇವ್ರು ಹಾಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ may not say, my lord.
prima facie opinion is that, sir.
That is important, my lord. Prima facie.
ನಾ ಎಲ್ಲ prima facie. Am I passing an order of conviction here?
Reason why, my
That
lord.
basic thing you
Still
must
it is-
know, sir. I am answering 482 or a bail petition. It is only prima facie.
That's what.
I am not passing orders of conviction here.
But it will go, my lord, in a different way in public domain. That, my lord, the
Public domain different way ಅಂದ್ರೆ?
my lord, the live streaming is there, my lord. That is why it will go viral.
ಓ ಆತರ. ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡ ಬಿಡಿ.
Not that, my lord. But the matter is under investigation. Is a matter.
ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ನಾವು ಬೇಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಕೋಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು. ಏನ್ ಪ್ರೈಮಾ ಫೇಸಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
After lapse of 2 years, my lord, all of a sudden this CID goes and arrests him.
ಅಲ್ಲ, that will see.
This is also a matter to be
ಈಗ
considered.
ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಮುಗ್ದಿದ್ಯಾ?
No, investigation is ongoing, my lord. There are various other documents.
ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ pending ಇದೆ
No,
case.
there
Crime
one, your lordship
registered
may
in the year
recall, my lord, the
2000.
conduct of the petitioner itself. Your lordship may recall, my lord. The grounds of arrest, the contention raised, the grounds of arrest has not been served. And
Tampered.
tampered. And the acknowledgement, he himself put 5 days later.
No, that
Yeah,
that
the
that is not
document is
correct
supposed to
statement.
sign on
But
19th.
ultimately, they
He
have put
signed it.
Whitener is important.
No, Whitener we have put it. We signed
For
it as
2
26.
pages. My lord, he serves copy to 3 different
And if-
people, my lord,
if
3
this-
different
if the
grounds
per-
of arrest.
If the person can tamper this document when we produce him before the magistrate, this document, my lord, speaks volume.
Lord, your lordship may 1 hour whether we decide this matter, my lord, because.
ಹೌದು,
this is-
1 hour other way decide ಮಾಡೋದು.
my lord, my
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ.
request, I am not, my lord, because
We
otherwise.
will
my lord,
decide it 1 or the other way. Yes, ಯಾವ,
Next week.
so I'll take it on Wednesday.
Please, very well. Great.